So, welcome back to Rick Riley's World for the third installment. He's Rick Riley, and this installment we're going to look at a
1973 1210, of course, crew cab. It's got 6 BT Cummins in it. The transmission and the engine's out of a Dodge pickup, so are the axles. Still got the international transfer case. Got a gear bender overdrive on it. I've had this truck probably 8 years. I bought it from a friend of mine, Rick Black, which probably most of you know from out in Montana. He got a hold of it, and I finally talked him out of it, and I use it pretty much just as a shop truck. Run and get parts and stuff in it. And
let's see if it'll run. So tell us about the drivetrain and the motor.
like I said, the motor's out of a probably a
Open it.
80
Open the hood.
International or Dodge truck. So also with the transmission.
There we go.
There we go. Transmission's 727, like you see, the front end and rear end. 373 gears, Dodge axles, international transfer case, gear bender overdrive, of course power steering, power brakes. This truck's done everything I've asked it to do. I've towed with it, hauled with it, drove it on the highway. It's been a good, dependable truck.
Taking on long trips.
I've been to almost Illinois in it. Up by Toledo, Ohio. So it's just been a good, dependable truck.
What kind of mileage you think you get?
Oh, I'd say it gets right at 18 to 20, or somewhere in there, just guessing. 'Cause most of the time I'm just, mostly short trips to the parts store, and or if I'm that or I'm pulling a trailer with it, so it's really hard to say what for sure, but I'd say it's 18 to 20.
How long have you had it?
7 or 8 years at least. Originally, a guy up in Canada built it, and Rick Black out there in Montana got a hold of it, and he had it for about a year, and I talked him out of it, and I've had it ever since. Don't regret buying it at all. It's just been that good of a truck. So it's just one of my bad habits that I've got.
Looks like a good rig. All right, we'll see you on the next episode.